Jermaine Griggs, founder of HearAndPlay.com, and welcome to Musician Transformation Collection. This is a collection where we take you from the very beginning and we show you step by step all the foundation, the fundamentals, the chords, the progressions, everything you need to know to go from point A to point Z in learning your own song. And you happen to be in the second DVD of the collection. This is called Chords County. Okay, now if you're on this DVD, you should have already mastered Fundamental Factory. You should have already been through the factory, been through the assembly line of the scales, minor scales, major scales, half steps, whole steps, notes on the piano, distances, intervals. You should have already been to the factory. Now you in the county, you in the chord county, and we're gonna move a little bit further. I'm gonna have a co-instructor on here. His name is Jonathan Powell. You guys know him from the Gospel Music Training Center and Gospel Keys Urban Pro 600. And we're gonna teach you all the different kinds of chords in music, the chords you need to know. These are the chords that are in all the songs you listen to. Okay, and if you don't understand the concept of a chord, so far we've done scales. We've done note after note. Okay, scales are notes broken up, one after the other. Chords, on the other hand, are notes played together simultaneously at the same time. The smallest chord, theorists argue about this, but I think the smallest chord is a triad, which is a 3-finger chord. You have 3 notes in a triad. Some people say a chord starts at 2 notes, which we would call a dyad, like dual, 2. But for the purposes of this course, most of the time we're playing triads, at least 3 fingers to establish a chord. And there are dyads like tritones and stuff like that, where you're only using 2 fingers, power chords, and we'll talk about those as we establish, chords and patterns, and we actually get down to playing songs in the Song Station DVD of the Musician Transformation Collection. But for now, it's all about chords. So we're gonna break this thing down step by step. I promise by the end of this DVD, you're gonna be playing major, minor, diminished, dominant, augmented, 9th, 11th, 7th, 13th, alter chords. You're gonna have the whole 9 yards. And most importantly, you're gonna understand why the chords are formed the way they are, why they sound the way they are, the construction behind them, with that knowledge that you can use to just skyrocket yourself to the next level. So I'll be back. Let's get started with the quality of chords.